miss Filipino food! This is a single coat. With the temperature today, 28 degrees Celsius, this double kilt is already dry. No, this is not a double kilt. It's a single kilt. This is Emmanuel's bed cover. It's already dry. My son is still there in the vacation house, and he calls us to tell us his situation there, how his life is going on there. And also, when he does not call, we call him and ask him how he is. And this is how our dialogue goes. So, I'll speak in Italian. Ciao Lele, come stai? Tutto bene? I soldi? Bastano? Bastano i soldi? Allora io vengo domani a portare un po' di roba da mangiare. Va bene? Ok. Non tornare a casa tardi, perché sei solo lì. Va bene? Ok. Ci vediamo domani. Ciao. Ciao Lele, ciao. I miss Filipino food! Hello guys! We're only two at home, my husband and I. And my husband has already taken his lunch. And I prepared this because I miss this combination of foods. Boiled rice, fried legs, chicken legs, some vegetables here, fried aubergines or eggplant, boiled spinach, and tomatoes here, sliced tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Now I'm going to use my hands, so yeah. I'm going to use my hands, and so I'll put a little what's this, soy sauce, and then I'll start now. I'll use my hands. I'll speak a little. Fried chicken. Filipinos love fried chicken. Well, I simply fried these chicken legs. I only put salt, pepper, and then immerse them in flour. See? Yes, flour. And then I fried them. This is tomato sauce, light tomato sauce that is available here. When you're at the beach and after swimming, ooh, it's really good to eat this kind of food using your hands. There's a fly. I remember when I was in the elementary, you know, in the canteen, they would sell, oh my goodness, they would sell fried eggplants, slices of eggplants. And I would buy it as pang-ulam or viand for my boiled rice, for my rice brought from home. My son, he likes also rice, boiled rice with anything. Fish, meat. He loves fried chicken. So he does not eat only pasta. He eats also rice, Filipino style, lunch or dinner, but breakfast no. Breakfast, he only takes cappuccino. That's it, nothing else. Like his father. My son loves to eat the crunchy part. The surface, he eats voluntarily. But the meat, the white meat, he doesn't like to eat. That's why he leaves it on the plate. And the mother, what does the mother do? Well, I get them and eat them. Or the leftover, I give them to the animals that we had in the backyard, the cats. I'm already full.